Ever found a cool place or an object online, but you could never figure out what it is or where it is? Well, let me show you how you can find out. I'm the Techpreneur. Google recently released an update to its Chrome web browser on desktop where you can use Google Lens to find objects and find places. I'll show you how you can easily use it. I'll give you a couple of examples. If you stick around till the end, I'll show you something really cool that it can do as well. This is the first example. Let's say I found this really cool picture. This picture could be anywhere in Europe. It could even be in Latin America or even the USA. To get started with the Google Lens, click on the URL on the top. Again, like you click on the URL on the top and then you click on this one. If you literally just like drag and drop the area thingy over the pointer and it shows you the area. Yeah. Oh wow, it's actually St. Paul's Cathedral in London. That's really interesting. I love these boots and how they look like. Again, let's do it here. Let's test it. I wonder what type of Nikes they are. I'm not really good with shoe names. Okay, wow, it can even pinpoint the objects. It's really cool. Okay, they're Nike Air Force One. That's quite interesting. That's the second one. And the bonus, since you guys stuck it on for so long, the bonus one is coming up pretty soon. You can actually use it to translate like foreign languages into English. All you have to really do is go over here. Once you're here, if you just select the area and you can select translate and it will translate the text for you. And that was Google Lens, something really useful and helpful that can really help out a lot of people in the future. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do you think you'll use Google Lens on a day-to-day basis? What do you think? Do you think it will be useful? Let me know. Thanks so much, and please comment, like, and subscribe.